me tell you a cool little journey once you start stepping into electronics, okay? Let's say you get an idea like, hey, I want to get into robotics because I see all this AI stuff going around. So you spend just a week, okay? You start studying, okay, how do I get into robotics? You look into Arduino, okay? You look at Arduino and you see all these different chips, and then you see Arduino Uno Q, and you see how it has a Linux processor into it, little microcontrollers. Okay, great. Then you start studying, okay, what am I actually looking at? You start looking at the schematics, you start looking at electronics, you start looking at modules, you start looking at PCB boards. You start realizing, well, what actually makes my computer work? You start seeing, okay, I got these resistors, I got these capacitors, I got this little oscillating crystal into it, okay, I got these different diodes into it, okay, I got this little tiny processor. Well, then you realize that that little tiny chip actually is what holds your program and what controls everything. And then it really starts to open up everything. Then you realize, wait, I can get a 10-pack of these for $10. So my whole entire computer basically runs off a little chip basically for $1. So I'm paying $1,000 for a laptop, when realistically, if you're smart enough and you understand the schematics and electronics, you can build you one for about $50 and have it do whatever you wanted to do. So take a dive into electronics. It's going to open up your mind. You're going to see how stuff really works. And then you start going, whoa, okay, I could have been doing this the whole entire time.